this is your when I was sitting where you are right now, I never dreamed that one day I would have the privilege of leading my alma mater, and more importantly, cheering you on as you cross this finish line. So as you enter this next chapter of your life, I urge you to remember your why, and never lose sight of how far you have come in order to be here today. Each of you came to this university for a reason, to pursue your interests, to prepare for the future and your careers, to create a better life for yourselves and for your loved ones. The path you have taken over the past several years is characterized by continuous improvement, but also by an unwavering resilience in the face of significant challenges and change. Commencement is a cause for celebration, and I encourage you to take a moment amidst all the festivities to reflect on what you have accomplished in order to reach this milestone. For many of you, today's ceremony may be especially meaningful because it marks your first and perhaps only in-person commencement since the onset of the global pandemic. Throughout your studies, you have overcome obstacles that college students often face. But you have also navigated unprecedented ways of doing new things as our world has adjusted to a new normal. And in your final months here at USF, you weathered back-to-back major hurricanes that had devastating effect on our entire region. For many of us, the recovery efforts still continue. So challenging times may have the power to define who we are as individuals, but they also reveal the shared resolve that makes a community truly great. Each of you serves as a shining example of the profound strength that defines our university community, and as a reminder that together we hold on to that strength. Hold on to that fortitude and don't be afraid to embrace it. There are many uncertainties facing us as a future, but it's when you take that courageous first step toward your goal that suddenly you will take a bold path forward. As USF graduates, the world is at your fingertips, and I cannot wait to see what you will achieve on your way to college. Although your time here as a student may be over at least for now, I would encourage you among American Public Research University and 34th worldwide of all universities generating U.S. utility patents. And it's home to one of the largest populations of student veterans within the state university system. We are proud to support our veterans, our military-connected students, and our first responders. USF was among the first to be designated the Florida Collegiate Purple Star Campus. That is a recognition reserved for institutions that make significant commitment to supporting military-connected students and their families. So in closing, I just want to share with you a few points of pride about what makes you, our fall class of 2024, so very special. This weekend, our university will award nearly 4,000 degrees to a graduating class representing 42 states and 93 countries. Our newest class of graduates includes 107 student veterans who collectively possess a combined grade point average of 3.46. armed forces as an officer. Our youngest graduate, who is earning a bachelor's degree in biology, is just 16 years old. And our most experienced graduate, who is earning a Master of Liberal Arts, is 70 years young. Your graduating class exemplifies the qualities that define an incredible experience. Each of you is bold, ambitious, and determined to build a better world. By graduating from the University of South Florida, you have proven that you can accomplish anything that you put your mind to. I wish all of you the best in your very bright future, and it is my greatest honor to be among the first to welcome you to the USF alumni family. Congratulations, make us proud, and And now, it is my great pleasure to introduce you to Surya Sarhadi. He is the USF student body president and a member of our board of trustees.
Thank you, President Rock, for the wonderful introduction. Good evening, graduates, faculty, families, and friends. It's an honor to stand with you as your student body president. Today, we celebrate a monumental achievement, the culmination of years of hard work, perseverance, and growth. For that, congratulations for 2024 class of girls. As I stand before you here today, I am reminded of the first day of our journeys. For me, it started with excitement, nerves, and most importantly, the world of uncertainty. I came a long way from India, carrying with me the dreams and hopes of my family. Being the first of my family to attend a college in the United States. Like many of you, I wondered if I belong here, if I could handle the challenges ahead or no. But I can make one statement strongly today. The community, this community, the USF community, made it happen. It embraced me and showed me that I wasn't alone, that shared other fears, the same dreams, and the same determination to succeed. From those early days, we have shared so many experiences that have shaped us who we are today. Who doesn't remember those late night study sessions at libraries, fueled by coffees and shared snacks? Those were more than just a preparation for exams, or who don't remember the basketball games, cheering for our players? They were more than just a basketball game. And most importantly, who doesn't remember the campus ducks? Ducks used to think our food as theirs. I mention these all moments because these are the moments you will forever remember as a goal, which you will be carrying as memories with you throughout your life. It was those times that we truly understand the strength of the community, which support each other through thick and thin. We have faced unprecedented times, but during those challenges, we have learned and we have found our strength in it. I can tell one thing, the future may be uncertain, but I have no doubt we are prepared to face it head on. One of the greatest lessons I have learned didn't came from a lecture hall, rather it came from my own sister, Katishri. She always tells me, don't be a passenger in your own life, rather be your own life driver, because if you aren't, the life will drive you away. And these are the words which set a vision for my work and work towards my goal. Bulls, buckle up. You have good times and rough seas ahead. It's just a part of life, but enjoy each and everything in your life and laugh a lot. Life is about to unfold for you in all its forms. Love, accomplishment, disappointments, testing your faith. But life is really beautiful. So I repeat, buckle up and laugh along the way. It makes life really fun. As you step into the next chapter of your life, remember, you must have some kind of vision for your life, even if you don't have any plan. You need to know the direction in which you choose to go, and that will make you achieve your goals one day. Let your actions reflect the values you have embraced here in yourself. Finally, thank you to the faculty who have guided us, the families who have supported us, and the friends who stood by us. To the class of 2024, congratulations and best of luck in all your future endeavors. Go Bulls! It is now my pleasure to introduce our undergraduate student speaker, Caitlin Pike. After graduation, Caitlin will start the master's program in Law Enforcement Intelligence while working in Tampa Bay area.
It is a pleasure and an honor to be speaking here tonight as a part of this celebration. To my parents and family, thank you for trusting in my stubborn independence and supporting my journey to know my future at UNC. A special thanks as well to my professors and other professionals here tonight who have encouraged my success and helped me explore my potential. This semester itself has been a whirlwind of difficulty, rescheduling, and adaptation. I feel it is only proper to address the loss, devastation, and multiple hurricanes that impacted the USF community and Tampa Bay area this month. Despite these hardships, we have made it to a beautiful moment of strength, accomplishment, and gratitude. Never forget the resilience and perseverance you have shown. As we come upon this incredible achievement of graduation, I would like to take a moment to reflect. A moment to remember walking in class in the scorching Florida heat, passing the exam in a nothing short of miracle, and losing countless hours of sleep, whether you were studying hard or hardly studying. As we each embark on our career journeys, I hope you hold on to the memories you made here and the personal development you have achieved. I am proud to say I stepped foot on this campus with ambition and potential, and standing here today simply proves how far hard work and determination will take us. Even though our formal education is complete, never stop learning. A large part of learning is making mistakes. Embrace them and remember to look for your decisions. Keep the future in mind and you'll land exactly where you're meant to be. Find your passions, but never close the door to opportunities. There's no such thing as having too much knowledge or experience to move with. As you move through life and encounter more challenges, remember how far only patience and understanding goes. Not only patience with the world, but with yourself. Take the time to show care for others and be kind. We are only as strong as the relationships we build as a family. And lastly, as I have always been reminded, nothing grows in your comfort zone. Accept the discomfort of life and take chances. Remain confident in your capabilities and cultivate lives that cause to the full. Whether we realize it or not, we are the future. We have done an amazing job thus far, so hold on to the power of resilience, press onward, and as always, go Bulls. And now, Provost and Executive Vice President, Dr. Prasant Mohapatra.
Thank you, Gary. Throughout the University of South Florida, we take pride in the academic achievements of all our students, and we welcome the opportunity to recognize and honor the students who consistently meet the highest level of academic performance. I'm pleased to first recognize our undergraduate students who are graduating with the following honors and invite you to stand as you are able when you are which reflects a GPA of 3.9 to 3.99. Once again, congratulations to all of you. Each commencement, the Alumni Association recognizes the achievements of our undergraduate seniors with the highest grade point average, a 4.0, by awarding the King O'Neill Scholar Award, given in the honor of charter graduates Lucas King and Evelyn O'Neill. The USF Fall 2024 graduating class has 47 graduating students with a GPA of 4.0, and some of them are with us on stage at this evening stage. Our King O'Neill scholars, please rise as you are able and be recognized. Thank you. We have now come to the part of the program that you all have eagerly awaited, the presentation of graduates and the conferring of the degrees. Mark Shine, Assistant Director of WSF, will introduce the graduates.
For the College of Arts and Sciences, Associate Dean Allison Cleveland Roberts.
Will the baccalaureate candidates from the College of Arts and Sciences please come forward?
President Wong, on behalf of the faculty of the College of Arts and Sciences, I certify that the fall 2024 candidates have completed all requirements for the baccalaureate degree.
Aaron Small. Melissa Gaona. Corinne Fritz Lane. James Nastry. Ladies Fuentes Morote. Quintade Samuel Olumide Jr. Pretty Lady Morales. Sydney Geller. Bradley Buchanan. Danette Ranatuga. Bethany Cotter. Ayana Bagwanandi. Joelle Brenner. Mackenzie Wolf. Emmanuel Dimitri Wilson. Julio Farrigas. Christian Rodriguez. Peyton Marie Felton. Yejun Joshua Sone. Pablo Rojas. Brenna Marie Straley. Joseph J. Maffaletto. Hannah E. Petrie. Esther Swanstrom, Honors College. Jantora Benson. Zane McCullough. Serenity Gilman. Mark Rivera. Rudena Ori. Alexis Dimitropoulos. Eleolu Obedero. Tarsa Mackey. Lacey Smith. Mariah LePoe, Honors College. Christina Sarmiento. Bailey Parker Davis, Marcos Torres, Justin M. Palma, Ronald Lewis, Samantha Marie Arias, Aiden O'Keefe, Megan Dorenzi, Honors College, Kevin James Rodriguez, Daniel Andres Concha, True Lane Griffin, Austin Britton Langston, Morgan McKeefer, Isaiah Antonio Perez, Stephen Longfellow, Carly Griffin,
Yeah, they got a lot of people there
Lara
too.
Sana Bear,
She's probably gonna be the
Sarah
last
Ariana
one.
Lemon,
There's only one
Lance
bachelor.
Levine,
But she's got a bachelor's
Andrew
degree.
Victoria,
Or
Michaela
the degree,
Godbolz,
like the degree part, the category.
Jorge Amaya,
Oh, the category, yeah.
Andrew Kuntz, Daniela Cardona, Shelby Lynn Petrie, Tina O'Neill Scholar, Juan Uribe, Grivet, Bao Chong Wing, Tenmai Bocina, Honors College, Adriana Alexis Ulitz, Rebecca Marie Fryer, Yvonne Soto, Renee Annette Edwards, Talia Russell, Caitlin Ann Puck, King O'Neill Scholar, Yanavika Soti, King O'Neill Scholar, Vishal Patel, Samika Kalavadiga, Monique De Reveal, Ariel Hoffman, Madeline Wilson Brennan, Sydney Morrow, Selena Marie Gilio, Maciel Torres, Gabrielle S. McIntosh, King O'Neill Scholar, Daniela Estevez, King O'Neill Scholar, Gabrielle Schwerter, King O'Neill Scholar, Amaya Michelle Dixon, King O'Neill Scholar, Taylor Suzanne, King O'Neill Scholar, Haley Wheeler, Deborah Juliet Romari, Caroline Chan, Antonius Rizpala, Michael Frenette, Rebecca K. Jenkins, Keller Krupa, Sydney Bryce Hensner, Tony Evelyn Hardy, Aurora DeVore, Honors College, Carly Sarah Shepard, Michelle Ermelinda Malandonado, Dragad Gisari, Anna Violet Shamshun, Emma Lucia Rossi, King O'Neill Scholar, Jaylee Page Chiskini, Honors College, Ileana Andrade, King O'Neill Scholar, Haley Blasco, Julia Hill, Carly Ray Thomas, Winnie Baez. Thomas Vincent, Honors College. Naomi Renee Abel. Raquel Iglesias. Elisa Romano. Damaris Rosado. Nicole Harrell. Ruben Ledesma Lugo. Lilia Romero. Tristan Hicks. Emily Glisson. Megan Miranda. Wesley Insena. Kylie Hajima McLean. Alexander Russell. Vincent Van Brunt. Hugo Abasto Leye. Ashlyn N. Bratton. Haley Culverhouse. Stella Villarakis, Honors College. Raquel Virginia DeStefano. Sasha Villanueva. Megan Klingeman. Isabella Moradian, King O'Neill Scholar. Elena Chesta, King O'Neill Scholar. Linda Nguyen. Jashley Caroline Garcia. Kelly Alejandres. Amer Mazen Amer. Hannah Rank. Madeline Grace Martello. Julie Wynn. Iman Cameron. Hannah Khan. Shayna Marie McCarthy Nimmer, King O'Neill Scholar. Sophia Christina Pericles. Victoria Rose Redstrom. Jessica Vitovich. Anika Riazudin. Lena Renee Shannon. Haley Grace Malone. Brianna Kozma. Mahalia Bijou. Miriam Gonzalez. Nicole Kathleen Enriquez Parge. Winnie Sue Zhao. Zoe Bell Brooker. Dennis Berniono,
Man, if he goes.
Jamie Parker, and Christina Hoffman. Zachary Allen, Alexandra Gale Dirty, Ezekiel Hernandez, Ethan Morton, Saleha Salek, Honors College, Seth Collin Jones, Eric Josh, Honors College, Noah Buswell, Brian Rivera, Thomas Peace, Abigail J. Transport, Jack Bernhard, Jordan Mackenzie Harper, Jeremy Allen Devall, Elijah Colorado, Brady J. Gregory, Samir Singh, Liam Matthew Taylor, Patrick William Kleckner, Ronald McEarl, Adrian Layla Pilapel-Tan, Abraham Juarez, Bruce Jones, Grace Ann Iachino, Honors College, Taylor Pogorlich, Suha Kadir, Josephine Gallipo, Camille Elizabeth Swap,
Looks like they're about halfway.
the lady Honora Cullinan, Alexandra Brown, Sarah Lilly, Tessa Bell Jacob, Denise Sophia Saavedra, Jocelyn Powers, Bailey Aguilar, Kaden S. Murphy, Joanna Rocco, Simeon Feldman, Erica Waco,
We got it.
Joanne Menendez Clark, Jessica Teal, Chelsea Sable, Navaya Rivera, Austin Barkley,
Huh?
Sarah Paul,
Yep.
Shakila Bailey, Jay Aguilera, Elizabeth Mullis, Amaya Brown Borelli, Alondra Leonor Rodriguez Perez, Alejandra Elise Gonzalez, Naomi Butcherman, Jeremy Wexler, Ashley Marie Carreras, Thomas Sammons, Amanda Dimasquita, Caitlin Wright, Madeline Hicks, Hannah Gail Tobin, Judith Jasmine Alvarez, Andrew Ebinger,
Right there, they're all the way back there.
Lucian
Oh, low-key we're-
Sabalish,
low-key go back around and then I'm about to go off. No, I see them. Go back around.
Alright, Shabini. Nicholas Vasquez. Donovan Schneider. Ashley Wynn. Mayabongwe Nembele. Faizan Mohammed. Anastasia Pappas. Delaney Page Kern. Samantha Elia. Kaylee Duchalk. Jacqueline Bartholomew. Liliana Grisel Vasquez Rios. Daniela Casanova. Kelsey Wahini. Craig Danger Cohen. Robert Tyler Abad. Victor Zenele. Zachary Cole. Ada Cisneros. Florian Lenz. McKenna Adams. Corey Huggins. Cameron Elizabeth Miller. Deanna T. Stringatz. Emily Goldenberg. Elizabeth Carberry. Rasura Munoz Luna. Matthew Alexis Mendez. Fabian Calvin Fernandez, Honors College. Evan Christian Golda. Christopher Wilcox, Honors College. Tyra Brett Poole. Cynthia Nelson, Honors College. Atana Cardona, Honors College. Sydney Granick, Honors College. Madison Alexandra Forehand, Honors College. Brooke Andrews, Honors College. Marissa Rose Hitchman. Morgan Wayne. Cyan Rodriguez. Melanie Copeland. Abigail Atara Richardson. Alexa Mijares. Annalie Marie Arqueo. Ana Sofia Lopez. Desiree Ruiz. Melissa Gearhouse. Tatiana Costanza. Lauren Allison Lee. Isabella Rose Preto. Tyler Grayson. Jessica Stewart. Elizabeth Diane Wheelis. Nicole Maria Valencia. Florencia Aziana Freeman. Mackenzie Emerson. Angelina L. Franklin. Sydney Morgan Stubbs. Matthew Becor. Griffin William Swarthouse. Sebastian Dixon. Carmen Cecilia Roman, Honors College. Garrett Dale Meredith. Ryan Wade. Ashley G. Emerson. Olivia Selator. Noah Richard Dre. Miguel Gio Barbero. Ashley Nicole Farrell. Elena Nicole Dybeck. Miranda Smallin. Tabitha Perotin. Claire Marie Walton. Carly Wilson. Isha Sandeep Patel. Victoria Lynn Ross. Paige Blair. Joshua Porter. Ariella Denise Rosa. Aisha Vickers. Teresa Jean Zuniga. Serenity Posted Email. Honors College. Carrie Ann Persley. Lauren Schmitz. Jesse Robert Robusta. Madison Star Architects. Daisy Echegoyen. Sydney Patricia Everett. Leslie Marie Pacheco. Nadia Rentis.
My boy's gotta go to work.
Mega Shukla. Ariana Price. Brian Brown. Tanja Gucci. Gloria Jean Coolman. King O'Neill Scholar. Nefeli Kopino Lamambu. Kaba Das, Honors College. Chloe Alexandra Tucker. Sarah Darlene Wells. Lydia Napier. Karina Victoria Lunter Anderson, Honors College. Madison Lynn Waldrop. Sydney Garner. Caitlin Taylor Long. Sarah Wolf. Celeste Danielle Wiley. Levi Jackson. Carla Del Rio. Amanda Hecker. Kelsey Merritt. Caitlin Nicole Orovec. Ebori Eliana Alicia White. Sofia Louise Escobar. Dominique Ben. Veronica Alvarado Fernandez, Honors College. Bruna Arenales Salgado de Olivia. Edin Eddie Barba. Peter Fischella. Akasha Vijish, Honors College. Vivian Silva Dallenbach, Honors College. Jacqueline Caroline Velasquez. Marilyn Nehera. Janelle Maria Benoyen, Honors College. Ansley Poole. Courtney Rose Coppola. Dakota Drew. Griffin Kingma. Michael Sosa, Honors College. Caitlin Brianna Marie Jennings. Sky Love Cruz. Samuel Sullis. Adrian Ramirez. Kiana Antoine. Nelly Jabbar. Taylor Bell.
I wonder if they're getting towards the end.
Kinsey Ray Haberlin.
Still got a whole column? I hadn't expected
Leo
to see
Versailles.
Sabrina, but I did because I thought she would have been in the
Melissa
last column.
Carolina
Those were the last
Olsen.
eight.
They're all going by alphabetical.
Reggie Patel.
Yeah.
Olivia Spears. And Mary Patel. Taylor Harkins. Samantha Smith. Lucia Leyva. Lauren Wolf. Rim Elamoka. Tanya Balashova. Emma Foley, Honors College. Stephen Singh, Kingdom O'Neill Scholar. Obali Rofio. Sharon Slavicka. Kiera Ostalasa Atrekas. Alexis Nicole Garcia. Ben Messinger. Colby Jackson. Dominique Sophia Loich. Gianni Goldborn. Sky Lynn. Jessica Mohan. Benjamin Walker Sherman. Eslin Castillo. Samantha Marie Skira. Barbara Pinap Petrie. Isabella Sunshine Nicoloff Lopez. Shania Rathwaite. Brianna Margaret Ziran. Manuel Mateo Omar. Desiree Collier. Abigail Fulham. Ashley Vanessa Munoz. Corey Jensen. Alana Marie Rodriguez. Jonathan Gonzalez. Puckett, Kelsey Dybo, Roxana Marquez, Lola Brace, Anna Peterson, Maria Hobson Fernandez, Mary Marina Blanchard, Anadeli Macedo, Dominic Gregoris, Justin Gonsalves, J.M. Warren Bravo,
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Trisha Reddy Pinchala, Honors College, Anna Barnes, Annalena Matthew, Ariel Bryan, Tyler Preston Lima, Victoria King, Nyla Jordan Wilder, Mary Anna Grace McDaniel, Mattia Lund, Mario Melaglar, Haley Sigliana, Faith DeVolter, LaRoya Anisha Katrina Isa, Christopher Serra, Joshua Choi, Alessia Francesca Lofton, Angelina Lojo, Dante Reese, Washington Drosen, Ayat Tamimi, Emma Mushret, Luis A. Gonzalez, Amanda Chinia, Sasha Monique Rodriguez White, Taylor Simone Slaughter, Jalissa Mackenzie Meyer, Evelyn Grace Stovitz, Ryan Siegel, Angel Donaldson, Madison Lee Chikadowski, Elizabeth Brighton Niswalski, Kira Irene Coleman, Kira Evans Galone, Ashley Carter, Harper Woodard, Courtney Gromolski, Caleb Elliott, Amanda Isabel Garcia Mercado. Gary Simpson. Karina Chica. Taylor Lee Hingwell. Kaylee Goy. Jackson Arthur Killian. Arana Marita Bagova. Queen Quan Mai. Eden Campbell. Eden L. Nykamp. Isabel Anel. Natalia Herbaldo. Naja Lael Miley Gordon. Honors College. Amelia Jefferson. Honors College. Stephanie Jordan. Narisha Malvio. Michael Bishota. Emma C. Taylor. Juan Zuniga. Keegan McCullum. Honors College. Olivia Leanne Alberti. Samira Abigail Godfrey Andrade. Isabel Barunimo Hara. Tatiana Barnes. Angel Gaynor. Anna Eva Hernandez. Amanda Lauren Medina Torres. Jonathan Suchen. Kaylee Vernon. Michaela Sierra Cleveland. Shalai Campbell Morjani. Melanie Christina Gemelli. Quincy Francois. Sophia Solange Iskra. Honors College. Adithi Kenchibata. Honors College. Annie Renee Lee. Cameron Rapine. Marion Mohammed Refin. Paola Andrea Torres. Shemi Ganawan Kwak. Eduardo Santa Maria. Robert Seddon. Leah Hemsey, Honors College. Alyssa Seelheimer. Doma Hadi. Naveen Solomon. Tyler Patrick Mudge. Lucy Aguilera. Anastasia Baker. Dorian Diaz. Floriana Serini, Honors College. Anna Gomez. Leona Anticos. Jordan Shaker. Trevelyan Elmas Namazi. Davina Crystal-Ann Sparks. Rebecca Dunning Navarro. Kayla Cecile Despine. Defense Eli Marquez. Diel Dilima. Selena Gonzalez. Juliana Katerina Shinarek. Laura Iskander. Maria Evelina Pardo. Tala Nguyen. And their final graduates, Rocky Harris Vanderveen.
Huh?
My back is stiff.
Yeah, I hear you. There's no support.
Please join me in thanking our faculty and staff who have honored the graduates by serving as ceremony marshals, and especially March Ryder,
You made sacrifices never expected and faced challenges you never dreamed of, and you did so with resiliency, determination, and strength. We're so proud of you and everyone in the class of 2024. You are all graduates of a university that belongs to the most prestigious higher education organization in the United States and Canada, the Association of American Universities. I have no doubt that you will continue to elevate our university as you make our world a better place. Graduates, you were students for a few years, but you'll be USF alumni for the rest of your lives. I want you to know we're here to help today, tomorrow, and in the years to come. I hope you stay involved because USF needs the commitment and excellence you've demonstrated as students. Great universities are built by great alumni, and that, my fellow Bulls, is you. Again, congratulations, go Bulls, and go class of 2024.
Will the platform party please rise as you are able? Will the candidates for the baccalaureate degree please rise as you are able? By virtue of the authority vested in me by the University Board of Trustees and the state of Florida, I confer upon each of you the baccalaureate degree. Please move your tassels to the left.
Graduates, please follow the